Can you forgive me?
Are you serious? I'm so sorry, Emily.
Learn English conversation.
Can we do that tomorrow?
Not tomorrow.
Can we do that tomorrow?
Not tomorrow.
I don't expect you to forgive me. But I wanted to say I'm sorry. I don't expect you to forgive me. But I wanted to say I'm sorry.
That sounds amazing. Don't stop on account of me. That sounds amazing. Don't stop on account of me.
Hey, Louis,
Sir,
all this stuff free?
of course, sir. Please do help yourself.
Hey, Louis,
Sir,
all this stuff free?
of course, sir. Please do help yourself.
We don't need a cab after all.
We don't need a cab after all. हमें टैक्सी की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Emily, so good to see you again.
Emily, so good to see you again. Emily, आपको दोबारा देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
That's so cool.
That's so cool. ये बहुत अच्छा है.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. घर में खुशामदीद.
Amber, so lovely to see you.
Amber, it's lovely to see you. Amber, आपको देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Is there anything I can do to help? क्या मैं मदद करने के लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ?
Darling, I just want you to be happy.
Darling, I just want you to be happy. प्यारे, मैं सिर्फ ये चाहती हूँ कि तुम खुश रहो.
Can you forgive me?
Can you forgive me? क्या आप मुझे माफ़ कर सकती हो?
Guest. Your Majesties, you have a guest.
Your Majesties, you have a guest. आपकी अज़मतें, आपके पास मेहमान हैं.
Send him in.
Send him in. इसे अंदर भेज दो.
You're my hero.
You are my hero. तुम मेरे हीरो हो.
Shut up! I didn't say anything.
Shut up. I did not say anything. चुप रहो, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा.
Are you serious?
Are you serious? क्या आप संजीदा हो?
What about the wolves?
No wolves, I promise.
What about the wolves?
No wolves, I promise.
I'm so sorry, Emily.
I'm so sorry, Emily. मुझे बहुत अफसोस है, Emily.
It's snowing.
It's snowing. बर्फ पड़ रही है.